this demand, that means here also they want the electoral separate. So separate electoral should be there. Separate electorals. Separate electorals nothing but separate MLA, separate MLAs, MPs like that. That means what? Separate means not the separate. So there should be some seats should be given for these people, that is depressed class people. Suppose example in the Assembly, General Assembly of India, in the British India, they are calling this as General Assembly. Okay, so in the General Assembly of India, so some people or some seats must be given for the depressed class, and they are also calling this depressed class as Dalits. They are calling as Dalits. Why they are calling this as Dalits means they are fully neglected by the politicians. Okay, so that's why to unify these people, Gandhiji has launched a separate campaign to unifying of all these Dalits, and he called these people as the Harijans. Harijans nothing but, so they are not untouchables. They are the people of God, like that he said. And also he asked the Ambedkar to come and unify this organization in the INC. Okay, so he also, Ambedkar also kept after this, that means before this one, he also kept one political party that is called as the Labour Party, National Labour Party. Remember this one. So Ambedkar has kept this political party. So Indian National Labour Party. Political party was also there. So this is the political party. After that, he also kept this association. Also, he also became as the chairman for this association of depressed classes. Later, so Gandhiji asked to unify all these people. So Ambedkar and Gandhiji both are united, and then finally, so all the Dalit peoples also, they also joined hands with the struggle, that is the independence struggle. Okay, so in this way Dalits are, so they are calling as Dalits. Dalits means depressed classes, so low class people, they are also united. So why we are giving this much of importance for this means, because if you take India is having more number of these tribal people or depressed class or these Dalits people. So if you see, this is India, so nearly eastern side of this population, we can see this the tribal peoples. So different type of tribal peoples are there. Mainly if you see in the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, okay, Jharkhand, so these states are having more number of these Dalits. Okay, suppose if you take in our state, example, okay, in our state, we can see that the higher example, I'm telling this example. Okay, this is not the example correct one, but just for you reference purpose. So if you take in our state example, the higher class example, the Reddy. So Reddy's maybe example the Rashekar Reddy, like that. So most of these, they are considered as the higher class. So they are only the rulers of this state example. Or example, if you take this Gujarat. In Gujarat, there you can see the Patels. Patels are the high class people. Okay. Okay. So like that, if you take this Himachal Pradesh or Haryana, in Haryana here you can see that Jats. Jats are considered as the highest class in the state. Like that here in the Uttar Pradesh, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, okay, some parts of Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, some parts of Madhya Pradesh. So these states are having more number of tribal peoples. So in these states, the tribal peoples only the rulers. So they are becoming all the CMs and politicians. Because if you take this Uttar Pradesh and Bihar like this, these states, nearly 80% of their population belongs to the tribal people, and also this depressed class. That's why, so this importance was given for these Dalits people are depressed class in the freedom struggle. So Gandhiji has he also want to join all these people to participate in the independence struggle. Okay, because the Britishers still they are not caring about the civil disobedience because some of the peoples are not participating in the movement. That is mainly the untouchables and also the Dalits. So in this way, Gandhiji has united all these people. The next one is the Muslim. Here also one community is there, the minority group. So if Hindus are the majority in India, but Muslims are considered as minority people. So here in the Hindu Mahasabha, so Hindu Mahasabha was there. Hindu Mahasabha. So its main intention is to have the Hindus in India, to protect the Hindus in India. So all these people, most of them are present in this Congress, INC. Not only this one, here one more group was there. That is a youth RSS. We can see that RSS, Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. So this is a youth form. That is all the youth peoples. They formed a new group. That is the so this RSS group is purely Hindu oriented one. So these two groups, most of the peoples are joined in this INC, and much importance is given for INC. And INC also resembling like the other important political group of these two groups. So that's why Muslims felt that so their community will be neglected in the independent India. So that's why so they should be having some separate electorals like depressed classes. So how the depressed classes are demanded for separate electorals. That means separate electorals means what? Separate representatives. Representatives means some seats in the assembly like that. So they should have these minorities also. Okay, like that they demanded. And for that, but of course, Britishers also given some of the representation for these minorities and also the tribal peoples and depressed classes. So like that here, okay, just to move forward. Yes. So if you see here, one of the Muslim leader here we can see this Muslim leader. So Maulana Azad, we can see that Maulana Azad. So he is considered as the first education minister in India after getting independence from Britishers. So Maulana Azad, he also formed some separate associations for Muslims. Okay, so Gandhiji want to unite all these people. So here for that, so Maulana Azad, he came to Maulana Azad and he also asked the people to join in the movement. Then for that, Maulana Azad also joined hands with this Gandhi. Okay, so every person was giving importance for Gandhi. Okay, so here in this way, when Maulana Azad was joined hands, then almost Muslims also joined in the movement. Okay, but where these differences are there. So here, yes. So Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, Maulana Azad at Sevagram Ashram, Wardha. So Wardha in 1935. So Wardha is present in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, there we can see this one. So Gandhiji also participated in this Khilafat movement. So this shows that Gandhiji has to some extent has unified these Muslims. Okay, for the freedom. But actually Gandhiji does not want to divide the communities. But here one person was there. So here his name is Jinnah. So here we can see this Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Okay, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So he also one of the Congress president. He also became the president of Congress. But he felt that in the independent India, so all the Muslims will be considered as minorities. Okay, so minority. So they don't want to be like this.